In this video, I'll be showing you how to find area of a composite figure. The key is to separate simpler shapes in order to calculate the area and then adding them together. In this example, we can cut this figure this way and find the region in yellow and find the region in orange. And then we could add them together. Now, both of these figures are rectangles, so the area for rectangle is A equals length times width. For the yellow shaded rectangle, we have the width, but we're missing the length here. Now we know that the length here is 8 and the width here is 3, so if we take 8 minus 3, we will get 5 inches here. And now we can simply take 3 times 5 to get that area. So we will have 3 times 5 equals 15 inches square. Now for the orange shaded rectangle, we can simply take 9 times 3. And that gives us 27 inches square. And the final step would be adding them together. 15 plus 27, and our answer is 42 inches square. But what if you want to cut the shape this way? Will the answer be the same? Let's find out. In this case, the yellow shaded rectangle would be 3 times 8, 24 inches square. And for the orange shaded rectangle would be 6 times 3. And that equals 18 inches square. By adding 24 plus 18, we will also have 42 inches square. Here is another example. In this figure, we would need to cut into 3 separate shapes. And there's a few ways to do this. We could either cut it like this, or we could cut it like this. We would be finding out the yellow region and then the orange region and then the blue region. So let's find out the orange region first. So we have 4 times 8, 32. The yellow region, we are missing this width. Since we know the total length here is 12 and the length here is 8, we could take 12 minus 8 equals 4, and that gives us 4 inches here. Then we take 4 times 15, and that equals 60. Now for the blue region, we would take 8 times 8, and that would be, now the final step would be adding them together. 32 plus 60 plus 64, and our answer is 156 inches square. So these two are examples of how you would calculate and find area of a composite figure. Thank you for watching.